Hi everyone! Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Facebook photos private. And I will show you how you can make a single photo private, or how you can hide the entire album with many photos. Okay, first I'm going to open Facebook app. Then tap on these three stacked horizontal lines at the top right corner. Select your profile on the menu page. Scroll down your profile and tap on Photos. Now you have to choose a photo category. For example, I'm gonna choose Upload on the Category tab located near the upper part of your screen. Then select the photo you wanna make private. Now tap these three dots at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Edit Post Privacy. Then tap on See More option. Right here we can see many options for privacy. If you want to hide your photo from everyone, select Only Me. Alright, my photo is hidden from the public, friends, friends of friends and any Facebook user. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the entire album with all his photos private. Go to your profile page. Then scroll down and tap on Photos. On the Photos page, tap on the Albums category. Then select the photo album that you wanna make private. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. And select Edit from the pop-up menu. On the Edit Albums page, tap on Public with the globe icon. On the Settings Album Privacy, select See More. Then select Only Me. Tap on the arrow icon at the top left corner. Then tap on Done at the top right corner to confirm privacy settings for the current album. Alright, now my album is hidden from any Facebook user. This is how to make Facebook photos or entire album private. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up. If you want to get more helpful videos, subscribe to Mobile Pro channel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.